Today I'm going to cover a very crucial topic which all new managers face, and that is how to structure an effective presentation. This is a 3-part series video where all the strategies are going to be shared with you. Whether you are making a presentation to an external or an internal customer, or you are leading a team for making a presentation, or you're pitching a new idea, nailing your presentation with a good structure will show your leadership qualities. So in this video, I'm sharing 3 strategies as to how new managers can create an impact by structuring their presentation very effectively. Number 1, knowing your audience. The audience is the hero of your presentation. Therefore, you must know who is going to be the audience of your presentation so that you can customize your presentation and help to convey the message to them. Number 2, set clear objectives. Have very clear objectives laid down as to what is going to be the outcome of the presentation that you are going to deliver. And number 3, that is, structure your content very well. If you structure your content very well, then it will create a great impact. Therefore, have a very strong, impactful beginning, and so that it hooks the audience's attention. Then followed by the key points and conclude with a bang with the final points. So structuring your presentation or the content of your presentation engages your audience. I hope you like these 3 points or the 3 strategies as to how new managers can really create an impact by structuring their presentation effectively. So until then, let me conclude and let's meet in the next presentation.